I was looking to add a Rotopax to my two-door Wrangler because I've been known to get low on fuel on the trails, and I really like this bracket I run on my four-door here. So this is a Drago Jeep products, and so this adapter is actually made to work with the factory Mopar tailgate reinforcement bracket. So I had that originally on my four-door here, but when I moved to this TerraFlex hinge gate here, I had to adapt it, drill some new holes to continue using this bracket. So I really like this setup here, and so figured, you know, I'm probably gonna have to fabricate something on my two-door. I don't have the Mopar tailgate hinge bracket, and I'm trying to keep things light on my two-door. So I think what I'm gonna do is somewhat copy some of the aspects of this design, but this whole piece here and how it ties in the body, that's going to have to be totally different. I think the other thing I'm going to do is incorporate some type of a antenna or a flag bracket into the mount. So if you see here, replace the hinge bolts with these TerraFlex ones that come with the TerraFlex antenna bracket. So here's what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is the plate I came up with. It ties into the 4 bolts. So that's going to tie in there with the 4 bolts. And then I cut out some of this excess aluminum. So that's the other thing. I was building this out of 1/4-inch aluminum because I wanted to keep it lightweight. When you open the gate up is making sure that things start to get a little tight over here. And so one thing that bracket that I have on the 4-door does nicely is it gets the Rotopax mount where it's kind of using this particular area here. So the Rotopax sits just above the tail light, so you don't have the Rotopax running into the factory tail light if you're running those. So I did round off the corners. I used a wood routing bit on there. I was kind of curious, kind of see you know, if that was going to cause any problems or if that was going to bounce off the metal there. But no, it actually worked out really well. So I used like a 1/8 inch rounding bit. So just kind of rounded off the edges here just to kind of clean it up, and then took a little like grinding wheel or whatever just to kind of blend in some of the edges and clean up some of the rough spots on there because it wasn't exactly perfect. And so I think once I get this back and everything's all welded together, then I'll do like a final prep of the surface, and then I'll take it to have it powder coated so it has a nice look to it. And this is just to give you an idea of kind of where the Rotopax is going to sit in relation to this bracket. I'm going to box this up and ship it off to my friend Larry. He has the Jeeping Mo channel. He does a lot of fabrication, welding videos. He was actually kind of one of the sources that kind of inspired me to kind of tackle this. So I think I'll be shipping this off to him, and I believe he may be using this to the welding, putting this together as content for his channel. So if he does that, I'll pop this on YouTube and pop a link on there over to that video.